Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. To view your app demo for free, please download the FluxBuilder tool at this link. FluxBuilder is offered in both desktop and web versions, giving you flexibility in how you choose to use it. In this video, we focus on guiding how to install FluxBuilder on macOS and solve the issue if you cannot install it. Ensure that your system is macOS 64-bit. Unzip the downloaded file. Double-click on the FluxBuilder file. If you see this dialog, let's allow installing FluxBuilder from System Settings. Enter your password when you log into macOS. Enter your password when you log into macOS. After successful installation, open the FluxBuilder app builder. If you already have a website, enter the website URL or IP address of the hosting service. Then select your website framework. If you already have a Listio, My Listing, or Listing Pro website, please choose this listing item. This manager will create a vendor app for your multi-vendor WooCommerce website. Delivery Boy will create an app for the delivery staff from your WooCommerce website. The Web to App item will convert any website into iOS and Android web view apps. Supports all kinds of websites.
If you don't have a website, select No Hosting to create a Firebase app. Then click the next button to start editing the UI and features for your app. If you don't want to install FluxBuilder on your device, you can use the web version of the FluxBuilder app builder. You can enter your website URL here, or just click on the Create App button.
If you already have a website, enter the website URL or IP address of the hosting service. Then select your website framework.
If you don't have a website, select No Hosting to create a Firebase app. Then click the next button to start editing the UI and features for your app. The macOS or Windows version of FluxBuilder will have more features than the web version, so our longtime customers prefer to install the desktop version. But if you are new to using FluxBuilder App Builder, you can try the web version first. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to be the first one watching new updates for free.
Thank you.